my glasses here. Hello, people at home. Do I look scholarly cleaning my glasses? Hi, my name is Emily Kaplan. And I'm the director of Bobrauschenbergamerica by Chuck Me. The performances are going to take place August 14th through 30th in Riverside Park at 108th Street. Let's talk about the play.
Yeah.
Let's talk about what the play is about, which is a lot of things. The play is about America and food and dancing. How do we as individuals and also as America, the whole, write our own histories? It's about chickens. And what are the things that bring us together? Even the most unexpected things. What things help us forge a community? It's about celebration and, did I say food already? Free theater is important, but it is not free for us to make. It's very important that we be able to pay our artists because so many of them have been attached to this piece for a long time now. We also have to pay for the rights to the show, and we want to be able to provide an amazing experience for everyone who comes out. So the most important thing is that you come out in August and see this show, be part of the event, and if you want to be a part of it before the performances begin, any amount that you can contribute will help make this a reality. Thank you.
A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Here we go. Yay. Bob!
Bob Rauschenberg!
Theater!
Oh, God.